Hey everyone, I'm here with pinto beans stew, which is a delicious vegetarian food. You can cook it easily. The ingredients are 2 glasses of pinto beans, an onion, 2 potatoes, 200 gram mushrooms, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric, a quarter of teaspoon pepper. First, wash the pinto beans. Pour cold water over them. Soak them for 5 hours. Dice an onion. Sauté in oil. Chop the mushrooms. When the onion turns golden brown, add chopped mushrooms and fry them on high heat. When the mushrooms are slightly soft, add turmeric and tomato paste. Dice potatoes. Add 2 ingredients. Pour soaked pinto beans over ingredients. Add water. After boiling, reduce the heat. Let them cook for 4 or 5 hours.
5 hours later.
Now we can add salt and turn the heat off. We can serve it with lemon and bread. Enjoy your meal!